here we are, setting up at YD. Big shout out to YD. Thank you guys. Here we are, setting up. She's on the dyno. Let's see what she makes. And the first clip is just the car getting loaded onto the dyno after all the machine work for getting the head tapped. As you guys saw in the previous video, I had the luxury of using a dyno instead of going on the street and being all crazy with the car, so I chose the safer route. On the dyno, that led to the discovery of the first problem, that the car during the computer was popping an alert saying AFRs gauges are not matching. Computer was saying that the AFRs of the car were like low 9s, and the gauge was saying they were flat 10s, but we looked into it and the gauge is maxed 10. So we tried to tweak around with the car as much as we could, but it's a stock computer, so nothing was really capable. We couldn't really do much. So the rest of the videos, the video clip, you just see the AFR pinned at 10. The next few clips are just the car, a 1J on the dyno sounding good. And then this is the photo of the apexi. An apexi is a MAF signal manipulator, which basically allows you to manipulate a stock car's AFRs within a certain limit. So with this, I was able to pull. I was trying to lean out the car. It managed to work for a little bit, and then it would, and then it wouldn't. It was sporadic, so the car was boggy. So basically, this didn't really work, and the only thing left from this was a standalone to really control everything. So ended up getting a Link plug-and-placed kit from Panic Wire, and here we go from there. Once the kit came in, unloaded it on the bed, I purchased a CAN bus gauge with it as well. I got the car dropped off at the fab shop here. As you can see, the intake side of the turbo all got cleaned up. I did a J-pipe delete on it as well. Got all the intercooler piping welded, got an HKS blow-off valve installed, and all the standalone bongs welded on. And basically my buddy Adam went and picked it up as I was on vacation, and we continue from there. So that's it. Thank you to Adam for driving my truck, my trailer, bringing my car here. We got her all done. All the fab work is done. She's running. Now just the tunes left. We'll get into everything later. Just got to do update videos as I get them. Car's running. All fab work is done. I'll show you guys everything later, but that's it. That's dropped off. Next, the dyno. So we are back again, doing beepity boopities.